Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. I hope you all are fine. My name is Komal and I'm your English teacher from Dar Arqam Madinatul Hujjaj campus. I hope all of you have completed your previous work. As we all know that all the seasons and all the months have their own importance. There are differences between different seasons. Winter season starts from November. In few countries, it starts from even October. But November is basically the representative of cold weather. There are so many things that we miss in this month. People cannot go out, cannot sit together outside. They cannot get warmth of the sun. There is no shade, no shine, and no butterflies in this season and in this month. People do not travel without any special reason. Due to fog, sometimes people cannot see the way properly. They cannot see the other side of the road. Nobody likes to wake up in the morning. People sleep early in the evening. We cannot see the beauties of nature as in spring. There are less activities at foreign coasts. So there are no people giving information about those far off places. That's why November doesn't seem cheerful. Today we are starting a poem about November. The name of the poem is No. The poet is describing those things to which November says no, or the things which are not present in this month. So you will read no at the beginning of each sentence or line. Before starting reading, I want to explain words to know. You have to learn these words to know. First one is courtesy. Something done out of politeness or consideration for another person. Courtesy is basically about your good manners, showing politeness about something or talking to others politely. M is contraction. It is short form for them. Gentility, courteous and well-mannered society. It means well-mannered people or behave and talk gently. Inkling, a vague idea, an indication of how to go about something. It means any idea which is not clear, which is vague, and indication of how to do something or go about something.